Target, I bought two options for $1,401.32. And now it is at $2,070. So that is a 47.71% increase in 3 days. Hey guys, took a break for a little while, but now I'm jumping back to this month's option picks, and I want to show you a few picks that we made this month, but most of all the picks that we made with the StockSage app. Now, this video is more so geared towards the affiliates or the salespeople of my StockSage app, but I decided to share it with the entire YouTube community as well for those who follow Uncle Dwayne's watch list. But in any event, with some of the language, I'm going to be gearing this towards the salespeople because they're out there selling the app. Okay. And so we've had a lot of action in the StockSage app this month. We had a presidential election, and as a result of the presidential election, first the market was moving up and the American dollar was moving up, but then when a certain person was chosen to be in the cabinet, the market started really dropping. It was about a week ago, a couple of weeks ago. And that's when the app performs best. Because as stocks drop to their annual low price, the app picks them up. And it shows you what treasures are down there at the bottom of the market. And so these are some picks that was picked as a result of that. These are a couple of picks. Well, more than a couple. I got 4 picks here that I was able to take advantage of. And the first we're going to start with is Akamai Technologies. Now, this is actually the night of the 25th. It may be showing a day later because I'm doing the video at night. But this is the night of the 25th. I bought this about an hour before the market closed. I bought 2 options. They cost $1,231.32. By the time the market closed an hour later, that was up to $1,300. So I had a 5.57% gain in about 1 hour. Another one we have is Red Robin. And Red Robin is actually an interesting story. I bought this around 2 months ago. It's an inexpensive option because it's an inexpensive stock. I bought 2 options for Red Robin. And they cost $121.32. Now it's 2 months later and they're up to $145. But actually, the options I bought on Red Robin are moving back up again. It actually already moved up and it was over 100%. I never sold it. I held on to it and it actually moved back down. And now it's moving back up again. Next I have Skyworks. And I bought 2 options for Skyworks, and you can confirm what I paid for them because you'll see cost basis over here. I paid $695.66 for 1 option on Skyworks. And the reason these are costing so much is because I like to buy options with a 3-month expiration. 3 months or greater. and at the strike price. In any event, it is now at $1,010. I haven't sold these yet, but now it's currently at $1,010. That is a 45.18% increase in 7 days. I bought it on November 18th. Now it's November 25th. That's 7 days. And the last one is Target. Many of you know the store Target. Target, I bought two options for $1,401.32. And now it is at $2,070. So that is a 47.71% increase in 3 days. Bought it on November 22nd, and now it is November 25th. Now I'm telling you guys how quick this stuff moved up, but you have no way of confirming that. You're just hearing what I'm saying, but you don't know for sure if it actually moved up that quick. So I'm going to confirm it to you right now. This is the history for my brokerage account. And you see Akamai. And I bought it on the 25th. You see Target. I bought it on the 22nd. Here we have another one, RDDT, but that one was not found through the app, so I didn't include that. You have Skyworks. That was bought on the 18th. And you have Red Robin. That was bought on September 25th. Okay. So, and now we're going to look at the candlestick charts for these. But before getting into that, I just wanted you to see that because I wanted you to see that the app that you're selling to these people is something that can be used to help them financially and to make a lot of money. But it can also be used by you. It's an app, if you're an affiliate or a salesperson, an app that you're getting access to for free, which helps you to make a lot of money, and it helps you to help other people to make a lot of money. And as we said, with the app, you will receive $35 a year for each year that they're signed up. As an affiliate, you'll receive $35 a year for each of those people that you have signed up, as well as be getting access to this information, which can help you out so significantly. So let's look at the candlestick chart for these stocks. And first we'll see Akamai. Look at it on a daily chart, and you'll see that it's been moving up the last few days. It's currently at $94.64, but Yahoo analysts estimate it can move up to $112.95. That will be a 19.34% increase in the stock price that it can go up. We know that can be a lot more in terms of percentages with options. And like we said, this moved up 5.57% in 3 days. And if we look at that, we looked at it on the daily chart. We saw a few candles, but when we look at it on the weekly chart, we see it's moved up 1 week And it's just beginning the second week, so it has a bit more to move up. Next, we have Red Robin. Red Robin is currently at $5.48. Yahoo analysts estimate it can move up to $8.88 in the next 12 months. If it does, that's a 62.04% increase. And we see that on our daily chart, just 2 candlesticks. So it hasn't moved up far for the week. And when we go to the weekly chart, it's a very small candle. We really haven't seen it move up at all. We want to see if it's going to continue to go sideways, or it's going to move up from here. Next, we have Skyworks. Skyworks is up 45.18% in the last 7 days. Now, Skyworks is currently at $87.93. Yahoo analysts estimate it can move up to 96.74% in the next 12 months, which is not much. That's just 10.01% if it moves up that far. We see that it has quite a few candles here. But if we look on the weekly, it's just 2 candles. So we want to be a little careful with this one. And well, as with any of them, but particularly this one. If it starts to drop, we want to get out immediately. And we have Target. Now, I have to share the credit for Target, because I would say I found Target inside of the StockSage app, but I told my wife about it. I was like, yeah, Target is down. She was actually the one who bought it. But here we have Target 3 days from the time that we bought it, and it's up 47.71%. Now, Target is currently at $130.53. Yahoo analysts estimate it can move up to $143.25. And that is really just an increase of 9.74%. So this is another one we want to watch carefully. If it starts to drop, we want to get out of it. Notice Target had a green day. It had a positive day here. Then the next day, it really jumped. It gapped up. But when we look at it on the weekly, we see it's just a small green candle. So we want to give Target some room to breathe. We want to see where it moves. And like I said, if it starts to reverse on us, we want to get out of it immediately. So I just wanted to share this opportunity with you guys. One, so that you can show the people who you're displaying this app to. This is for the salespeople and affiliates, so that you can show them the power of this app so that they can use it for their own financial benefit. But with you as affiliates having free access to the app so that you can be taking care of these advantages as well. In any event, I look forward to speaking to you on the next video. Have a great day.